Hello guys, this is Darsh Kumar signing in to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be showing you the information management system project that I have developed with my friend Pranav Saini, who is also studying in Bennett University. So basically what we have created is a movie subscription system where the user can create his or her account, and after paying the subscription fee they can see the premium movies that we have listed in our website. There is also some free content available on our website. The user does not even for that the user does not require to create an account on our website. So without wasting any time, let me show you the project. So as you can see, this is the home page where all the free movies that is available on our website are placed. So see, there is no one logged in right now. So if I click on this watch now button, what it will do is it will fetch the link from the database and it will redirect you to the movie page. So the movie has started, as you can see. Now let me show you the backend part as well. So this is the movie table in our database movie time. Here all the link of all the movies are kept here. Now suppose if you want to see the premium movies, so if you click on this watch now button, it will ask you to log in. Now suppose you don't have an account on our website, right? So you will click on the register here part and you would enter your details. So let's enter a detail for some person. So let's suppose there's a guy named Siddhant, and let's create an email for him. Now if I enter a wrong password here, then it will ask me to, then I will also show you what happens. It will say password not matched. So if I click on this OK button, then I have to enter the correct password, and if I click on the register page, it will says the registration has been completed. So if I show you so this is the table user where all the login details, the registration details are kept here. So you can see the new data has been inserted by the name Siddhant, and as you can see here, the password is a hashed password. So this has been created for the security purpose. Now if I click on the login here button, and let's log in with that account that we have just created. Now here if I enter a wrong password, then it will say that email or password is wrong. So I have to also enter the correct password here. Then it will you can see that we have successfully logged into the account. Now you have to pay. There are two subscription policies, one is gold and one is platinum. So according to your purpose, you can, or your choice, you can click on any one of them. So suppose we go for the platinum part. So you have to enter your email through which you have registered and your phone number, and after you click on the pay, so for this we have also created a table on our database called payment. So whenever you pay, all the data would be entered in our database here. So now let's pay for this, and you can choose any suitable choice payment option. You can generate a QR code. See, the QR code is now visible. After scanning the QR code, it shows the payment has been successfully done. Now you can go back to our page, click on premium movies, and if you click on watch now, what it will do, it will fetch the link from the database that I showed you earlier, and then the movies would be visible. Yeah, so some advertisements. The advertisement has been created for our revenue. See, the movie is now visible, and if we click on this log out button, we will log out of our account. And if you want to log in, we have to enter the same credentials. So this was my project, and thank you for seeing my project.